Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable as a sales CRM and workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Airtable as a sales CRM and workflow, start by visiting Airtable's official website. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once signed in, click on the templates option available on the dashboard. In the templates section, search for Sales CRM. Select a template that suits your needs. You can preview the layout and features. Click on the Use Template button to create a new base from the selected template. After the base is created, you will land on the main workspace. Familiarize yourself with the sections, including tables, views, and fields. Customize the fields to match your sales data. You can add or remove fields as needed. To update a field type, click on the column header and select Customize Field Type. Input your sales data into the corresponding fields. For effective tracking, set up multiple views such as Kanban, Calendar, or Gallery. To create a new view, click on Grid View at the top and select Create a View. Name your new view and choose its type. Use filters to narrow down your data according to specific criteria. Implement sorting to organize your data in a meaningful way. Set up automations by clicking on the Automations tab in the menu. Choose triggers and actions that fit your workflow, such as sending notifications for new entries. Integrate Airtable with other applications by clicking on the Apps section. Install any necessary apps that can enhance your workflow efficiency. Use the Share option to collaborate with your team members. Provide them with appropriate access permissions. Regularly update your CRM with new leads, contacts, or deals. Monitor your sales pipeline through the different views you've created. Adjust your workflow as needed based on team feedback and performance metrics. Utilize Airtable's mobile app for on-the-go access to your CRM. Explore additional features and resources provided by Airtable to maximize its potential. This completes the steps to install Airtable as your sales CRM and workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step